I've been thinking what I missed off last year's Christmas list. And if I had one wish, what would I ask for? What is the one thing I want more than anything else in the world? Well, if I had one wish, and one wish only, I would wish for a fight with Mick Foley. Now, for those who don't know their Mankind from their Dude Love, their WWE from their World Wildlife Fund, this poem could be tough. But enough with the pleasantries. I want entrance themes and ringside commentaries, fans brandishing tees with my character name. I want a rivalry with the game. Want to be challenged by Undertaker and Kane and make WrestleMania history in a tag team match with Austin 316. I want my debut win against The Rock at King of the Ring. Want my back smacked hard against a mat covered in thumbnail tacks. JR having heart attacks as we go toe-to-toe in the squared circle. This is awesome, the crowd will chant. And at the end of the match, when I'm just about to pass out, I will dig deep and earn my 3 count. With my signature move, I cannot lose. And I will raise that championship belt high above my head. Santa, if you're listening, this year's Christmas wish could not be clearer. I want to be a wrestler in the WWE Attitude Era.